Meaning of I'd.
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 I'd. I'd is a contraction of I would or I had. In the context of a sentence, it is usually used to express a conditional or hypothetical situation, as in I'd go to the party if I had the time or I'd already eaten by the time you arrived. In informal writing or speech, I'd can also be used as a shortened form of I had, as in I'd finished my homework before dinner. Overall, I'd is a useful and commonly used contraction in the English language for expressing different types of past or future conditions.